So I need to have them here. Whoa! One hand for the boat. Always one hand for the boat, because my foot almost went down there and that would have been a broken ankle. So even I'm gonna go back upstairs so I don't hurt myself. The question is, I need them here and I need their checklist and I need my checklist and I need them to show me what's been put in, what's still missing, what we're waiting on. It's supposed to be here tomorrow or Friday. The keys to my engines are now inside, and we're gonna take those out. Radio's working again. We're close to happiness. I'm still playing on the boat even though the clouds are looking kind of scary. My boat is completely unplugged from the shore. You can see the wind starting to kick up. When we had the big lightning strike, the lightning came down and exited through those cords. And I've done some reading about lightning, as one does when you have a catastrophic lightning hit. And what I learned is that the lightning both creates ionizing electrons in the atmosphere as the lightning tries to come down and from the ground up. And part of what happened was, and when they're able to connect, that's when you get the bolt. So by unplugging the cords, the boat is basically literally just sitting in a tub of salt water. That's the theory. Doesn't hurt to do it. I'm gonna try it.